This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Terry Baker. Handsome ranch on cul-de-sac on large lot with many new owner improvements. Bonus sunroom on the back with vaulted ceiling, ceramic tiled floor west/lots of sunshine. Leads to huge yard with recently installed patio and seating. Garage is converted to additional room west/ensuite bath, great for in-laws or guests. Primary bedroom has ensuite bath as well. Fully remodeled hall bath for guests and fourth bedroom. Spacious eat-in kitchen with granite, upgraded, paneled cabinetry, tiled flooring and Butler's pantry. Original wood floors throughout. Versatile floor plan for comfortable living. For more information, review the details below.